Hey guys, this is Divya Aggarwal, your image consultant and personal branding expert, and I am here through Zina Consultation to tell you what I eat in a day. So a lot of you guys ask me that how I go about, living my lifestyle. क्या मैं सच में 5 बजे उठती हूँ? क्या मैं सच में उठते ही वर्कआउट करती हूँ? क्या मैं सच में उठते ही जर्नल लिखती हूँ और सच में मैं हमेशा स्माइल कर रही होती हूँ? No. Not every day is as happy, not every day is as strict, but this is what happens on an average day, and this is what averagely I eat in a day. So guys, this is it. Go watch this video to know exactly what I eat. And yes, I have my cheat days here and there. I eat Taco Bell, I eat from Burger King, but this is majorly what I eat in a day. Go watch. Good morning guys. So I work out from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So usually around 8:30 I have my breakfast, and which is mostly a protein chila, be it besan, be it oats, be it moong dal. So any kind of chila, it's my jam. And I love to put veggies on top of them along with these homemade dips. So this is a yogurt dip. This is again homemade. It has coriander, mint, garlic, parsley, all of those in it. Then this is paprika. So this is homemade paprika, and oh my god, this is one of my favorites. And this is again coriander chutney. Pudine wali, dhania pudina wali chutney. So I usually have this for breakfast every day. I do not like rice-based things like poha, vermicelli or anything. So this is my go-to meal. It actually keeps me really full throughout the day because my day tends to be extremely strenuous because I'm talking for more than 10 hours in a day, taking sessions back to back, talking to clients, talking to service providers and collaborators that are working with Zina Consultation, and any protein-based breakfast keeps me full for long. So, oh my god, I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna continue. Bye. So it's 10 a.m. It's almost 10 a.m. I still have 15 minutes to go for my first session, but yes, I do not leave for work till I have a little bit of vitamins and good fats in my body, which are these nuts, dates and berries. So this is what I usually eat just before starting my session. It's either any 2 fruits, could be a pear or an apple. Right now the season is for grapes and strawberries. Always have the fruits which are in season. कुछ imported buy करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है guys. जो आपकी locally market में available है, have that. Oh my god, I love strawberries. Only if I wish I could dip them in Nutella right now. And a handful of these grapes. So I actually count them. I have 8 to 10 grapes. So I'll have these handful of grapes. Okay, so the next thing that's a must in my diet with fruits is dry fruits. Dry fruits is one of the healthiest fat and your body needs it. Your joints are not going to work, and the point that I am going to be spending most of my life in heels, so it's very important that I grease my joints. So 2 halves of a walnut, 5 almonds, and if I really feel like low that day, if I feel like I'm very tired or I'm not in the mood for like a lot of hard work, I tend to have a little bit of dried berries, cranberries, blueberries. The sugar in dried berries makes you rejuvenate, it makes you more jolly. So this is a must have if you're feeling tired. So you can have a warm cup of water with a few dried berries that can instantly lighten up your mood, along with 2 dates. This is one dry fruit that I dread eating because it's so much hard work. Like, I don't know, I'm just very exhausted looking at this, but berries, favorite. Time for lunch. Let's go. Okay, so now it's time for lunch. I usually come out in winters or when it's pleasant around till March, April. I like to sit outdoors and have lunch with my family. So yeah, after sessions it's so exhausting. So a refreshing bowl of some yogurt, some nice sabzi, whatever's made at home. I'm not picky when it comes to any vegetable or dal. I can have anything. So this is it. Yes, the only thing I'm really picky about is my chapati. So I tend to avoid wheat altogether. Any amaranth ki aate ki roti or bajra or ragi. So sprouted ragi roti is one of my favorite. It tastes brilliant. Today I'm having makki ki roti because the winter season is coming to the end. Makki ki roti is a must. So I'm just going to have this roti for today and you know, have those nutrients. So makki ka aata is so nutritious. And because ये season का है तो ज़रूर खाना चाहिए. So this is my meal. I'm having this mixed vegetable. So what all does it have? Guys, don't look at the etiquette. ठीक है, मैं सिर्फ देख रही हूँ. Copy मत करना ये. Not the right etiquette to do that. Okay, so it has cabbage, it has carrots, it has peas. Oh, brilliant. And then it's curd, and then it's makki ki roti, and I'm gonna dig in. So just, I've taken a small break in the middle of the sessions and now it's time for a herbal tea. I usually use everything from kitchen. Tea leaves or like packets or sachets is not my thing. So this one has ajwain, it has sauf, it has adrak and a little bit of jaggery because it helps with muscle pain. So because I've been very aggressively working out for the past 2 months, any muscle pain, any tension or any stress that comes, jaggery and the mixture of all these herbs together from our masala box in the kitchen really helps us. So cheers. And yes, I'm not a tea or a coffee person. I just believe कि tea और coffee क्या होता है कि वो आपको energy और आपको जगा तो देता है एकदम से, but आपके पास इतना ही पैसा है, इतनी ही energy है खर्च करने को, वो आपको टी या कॉफी एकदम से बहुत सारी देती है, but in the end it makes you feel extremely drained. So I am a person who prefers to pace it out throughout the day, and the herbal tea is my go-to cup to sip. Okay, so it's finally time for dinner. And dinner time is me time. So I really like to sit in my PJs, relax and watch something on Netflix. My pattern for dinner is a good nice bowl of salad, or you know, it could be sorted vegetables, baked vegetables with a big cup of soup. Today I'm having a cold salad. It has shakarkandi, watermelon, flax seeds, lettuce and green lettuce and red lettuce. So this bowl, oh my god, I love this salad bowl. It's the best thing you'll ever taste. So this is it for today. Shakarkandi, it's really good for your health. Watermelon, because there's an onset of summer and you know, sometimes by the end of the day you feel really lethargic, and having a little bit of watermelon can cheer you up and you know, rejuvenate you. So this is it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. That was a wind up of what I eat in a day. Yes, of course, I love to grab a bowl of ice cream with a lot of Nutella on top of it. I have my own cheat days, but this is on average what I eat every day. If you like this video, do tell us in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel, and we are going to come up with amazing tutorials for your lifestyle coaching and of course personal branding, which is coming on our channel super soon. And yes guys, don't forget to hit the like button, otherwise I'm not talking to you. Okay guys, bye-bye, have a great day, and yes, keep following Xenia Consultation for becoming the best version of yourself and writing your own success story.